So get power to the switch. We're going to just take one phase here, either red, yellow, or blue in our case. So just one phase. So it will be good for consumption of the bulbs. Then we take our neutral. You look here, neutral, and have here. Now, for our case here, we have two gun switch. So for our two gun switch here, as you can see, so two gun switch, you are going to take one gun one side. So these ones are the strappers for our case, and this one is the common, the power. So this is the power, and the red and green have gone direct to the bulb. So using two switches separately, you connect one. We use for our case, we are going to use one gun. So you connect this one. This is our common to common. Then you tighten your nut. In your case, you tighten the nut. Just roll it. Make sure it's firm. And then these two strappers, you take and connect to the L1, L2. L1 and L2. So this one, L1 and L2. On the other side, already the connection is done, but I can just show you. This is our case. This is a return to the bulb border. This is coming from common direct to our switch. And these two wires, they came from the other socket from L1 and L2. So the other side you connect again L1 and L2. So guys, that is the simple wiring. Using 3-phase. So later. So thank you guys. Just subscribe.